make sure you've got Solana-based US dollar coin in your wallet when you go to make this swap. Swap US dollar coin for Trump coin. Always make sure that you have the official contract address so that when you make your swap, you'll know for sure that you're getting the correct coin, because there might be a lot of copycats out there these days. All right, so we'll start from scratch. As you can see, I have some Solana in my Solana account here in Ledger Live. So that means that I have a device and there is some Solana on there. I'm using a Ledger Flex. This would work for you if you're using a Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X as well. So I'm going to use a third-party wallet called Solflare, which is here. I'll leave the link down below. And what we want to do is set up the Brave extension, right? Now you can use this in Chrome as well, probably Edge, but I'm using Brave. We'll click Add to Brave, let it add the extension. And now we're ready to go. So I'm not going to create a brand new wallet. I'm going to connect to my existing Solana account on my Ledger. This is a little more secure. So I'll click Ledger here. All right, so what I want to do is unlock my device and enter the Solana app. All right, so the device is unlocked, but I need to be in the Solana app when I do this connection. All right, so we'll find the Solana app. All right, and now that we're in the Solana app, we'll go ahead and finish this up. All right, we want to connect the device to the browser. This is the browser wanting to connect to your device. So you just click on the device, click connect, and you need to set a password. All right, it's going to connect to your device. And this is not exposing any private information. This is only the public information that's being accessed here. So there's that Solana account that was in my Ledger Live. So it's the same account, same wallet, right? We're just using a different interface, one that we can use to swap Solana tokens, right? That's the idea here. We can't do this in Ledger Live. So that's why I'm using Solflare. So we'll click on this one, and we'll just enable that one. We don't need these this other account. It just had a little dust in there anyway. All right, let's hit continue. Let's continue again. And then we can enter Solana. And there you go. You can see that I've done this before. You can see that I have a Solana balance and I have some other meme coins of old. Haven't traded them in a while, but let's see if we can grab that Trump coin, right? So what we want to do is make sure we're getting the official Trump coin. So let's go over to CoinGecko and search for Trump. Right, we want the official Trump, right? Let's hit that. A little bit down right now from where it was a while back. I'll buy the dip. Now, I may be buying this when it's going to crash tomorrow. We don't know. It's very risky to deal in meme coins in general, so always be careful when you're doing this stuff. But what we want, now that we have the official one here, is to get the contract address. That's down here. We'll copy that into our clipboard. Let's go back to Solflare. And what we want to do is a swap. So we're going to go over here to trade. It looks like it's already queued up here because I guess a lot of people are buying it. But I don't have any US dollar coin. Let's see if they'll take Solana. Okay, looks like it will. Now, if we're not sure about this, if we go here and paste in the contract address, then you can see that we've got the correct coin pulled up here. All right, so when we make this swap, we're going to need to authorize it on our device. So let's do 1.5, and that'll give us 400 bucks worth of the meme coin, right? So 1.5. And this is a very risky move, but I'm going to do it anyway. Let's hit swap. All right, it failed. Now, why did it fail? Most likely because I don't have blind signing enabled. You always want to make sure you do that if you're doing a swap on a Solana DEX. There you go. Blind signing is not enabled, so I'm going to enable it. Right, and then we'll go back. All right, and now that we've got the blind signing enabled, let's hit swap again. And I need to confirm on the device. This is that part I was telling you about. We'll swipe over. There's the information, the message hash. And then I need to hold to sign. Hold to sign there. Transaction is signed. Okay, and something went wrong. Okay. Looks like it didn't go through. I'm going to try one more time. It's still giving me hell. Okay. Okay, so we're going to try a different tack here. We're going to go over to Jupiter. We'll connect my wallet using Solflare. All right, and there we go. And let's get our Sol at the top here. Oh, it looks like it went through. Oh, no, there it is. Okay. No, it did not. All right. And then down below, we're going to do that contract address again. So we get the official coin. We'll line this up at 1.5. All right. We'll go ahead and make the swap, even though it's going to be a little tricky, right? Let's hit approve. And what happened? Anything? Oh, okay. Now we're ready to swap. All right, here we go. It's an unconfirmed coin, but we're going to approve it anyway. And it failed again. All right, so I got some US dollar coin. Maybe it'll be better. Sometimes the liquidity is such that you need to have the right token. Let's do our Trump thing again. All right, and now let's just go ahead and do the max and hit swap. Approve this. All right, now I need to approve on the device. All right, go. And hit sign. Here we go. This might have worked. Ah, it did. Now, one of the main issues that I was having here was the volatility of the coin, and the percentage spread was high, so it was a difficult trade to execute on their end, and I don't know all the niceties, but the fact that I was trying to use Solana was there was a chain reaction going on there. They were under the hood. It was swapping my Solana for US dollar coin and then the token I was looking for. And so after a couple of failures, I decided to go ahead and get Solana-based US dollar coin in my wallet and just swap Solana-based US dollar coin directly for the token. And that finally worked. That might have worked from within the Solflare wallet in the trade, but I've noticed that there are times when the Solflare wallet fails. It's kind of a higher level swap interface. It might have been using Jupiter under the hood. I don't know, but I went directly to Jupiter to get this thing done. I even tried Radium, and I even tried it in a different browser. Was having some issues. Finally got the coin. Looked like the coin went up while I was trying. It looked like in the early stages I might have gotten more Trump coin if it had gone through on my first try. So maybe I didn't get as much Trump coin as I could have, or it could have gone the other way. I could have started only getting 6 and then maybe getting more depending on the time frame, right? But so that seems to me to be the best practice was make sure you've got Solana-based US dollar coin in your wallet when you go to make this swap. Swap US dollar coin for Trump coin. Always make sure that you have the official contract address so that when you make your swap, you'll know for sure that you're getting the correct coin, because there might be a lot of copycats out there these days. Anyway, if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered.